Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I am going to show you how to replace the belt tensioner, the auto tensioner, and the idler pulley along with the belt on a 2UR-GSE, Lexus GSF, RCF, ISF, LC500, and is500 F Sport. Similar process on all of them. The part number may vary, especially for the ISF, but it's basically the same process. So I will leave the parts list in the video description, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. As I said, I'll leave the part numbers in the description here, but the tensioner and the idler pulley, that's all you need. Get your car in the air, either on jack stands or on a lift, and you're going to remove the front center splash shield, several 10mm bolts, and several little press-in clips. The next thing you're going to need to do, you're going to need a pin or like an Allen key to take the tension off of the belt from the tensioner, using a 14mm and an Allen key. That's all I use there. And then you can remove the belt. Not the easiest belt to remove, but it is otherwise fairly straightforward. No other brackets or anything that have to be removed to get it out. You will need a 6mm hex and a 12mm socket in order to remove this. First thing you're going to do is go ahead and remove the hex, 6mm hex bolt in the middle of the tensioner. And then you are going to relax the tension on the tensioner. You can either do that before or after you remove the center bolt. I did it before. Remove the tension, and then you'll have access to the 12mm bolt in the lower left corner of it. And that's basically it. The reverse is the same. Once you pull it out, you have plenty of room. Don't have to remove anything else. Pretty simple and straightforward. For the upper idler pulley, it's right underneath the camshaft sensor there, and it is a 14mm, I believe. It's either a 12 or 14mm bolt. Pretty simple to get to, and all you have to do is loosen it, remove it, pull it out in one piece with the bolt and the idler pulley. It's a pretty heavy pulley too. It's got two really heavy bearings in it. And there's the new piece. We're using all OEM parts here. I did not replace the bolt. I only replaced the idler pulley. Putting the auto tensioner back in, going to put the 6mm hex bolt in first, then the 12mm, tighten everything down. And then you're going to want to put the tensioner back in the lock mode with the Allen key. And that is a 14mm on the tensioner. And then just feed the belt up, and the diagram is right here. But it is pretty self-explanatory. And once you have it installed, I would spin the crank maybe a rotation or so clockwise to make sure that the belt, everything is lined up so nothing comes off when you first start the vehicle. So that's it, guys. Tensioner, idler pulley, and belt. Not too difficult. You can probably do it in an hour, assuming that you have the vehicle secured. So that's what I've got for you guys. Thanks again for watching today, and we'll see you soon.